Imagine the heartache when your refrigerator door, once a trusty and organized haven, becomes a battlefield of cracked plastic and shattered dreams. This 2-pack of POOLKEY W10803530 door shelf replacements arrives like a superhero, swooping in to restore order and functionality. These shelves are not just simple plastic containers. They are the very soul of your refrigerator's organization, holding gallons of milk and jars of pickles with steadfast resolve. Crafted to fit a wide array of models, they are a perfect match for your Whirlpool Maytag refrigerator shelf, ensuring a seamless and secure fit. Furthermore, they are a complete and total upgrade, engineered for enhanced durability and strength, promising to stand the test of time and countless openings. Therefore, they truly are a necessary investment for anyone looking to revitalize their appliance and prevent future spills and messes, as they replace the original W10582649 and PS11703474 door bins with superior quality. Indeed, the installation process is as simple as a gentle breeze on a summer day. You can easily slide out the old, broken shelf and slide in this pristine new one. And just like that, the functionality is restored. It's an effortless transformation that feels less like a chore and more like a magical spell. Moreover, these shelves are a direct replacement, so there is no need to worry about compatibility issues. They are meticulously designed to fit perfectly, including in models like the 5GT311FFEW00 and WRT311FZDB00, which guarantees a snug and secure fit, so you can rest assured that your items will not tumble out. Consequently, this Whirlpool Maytag refrigerator shelf will give you a sense of renewed peace and organization, turning a once chaotic space into a picture of perfect order. In fact, each bin is a testament to quality, built to withstand the rigors of daily use and heavy loads, thus becoming the unsung heroes of your kitchen. Finally, the purchase of this 2-pack is an act of proactive care for your kitchen appliance. Not only does it address an immediate need, but it also prepares you for the future, providing a spare shelf in case of any further mishaps. This foresight is a small but significant detail, providing a sense of security and preparedness. Additionally, the improved design and robust materials of this Whirlpool Maytag refrigerator shelf promise a lifespan that far exceeds the original, making it a wise and economical choice in the long run. In short, these door bins are more than just replacement parts. They are a rebirth of your refrigerator's internal structure, a metaphorical spine that holds everything together. Therefore, you are not simply replacing a broken part, but you are instead upgrading your entire system, creating a more reliable and organized home for all of your refrigerated goods. Pros: spacious, sturdy, fit perfectly, does the job, look exactly like the original, work fine. Quite sturdy, most affordable I've seen, exact match for our Whirlpool door, reliable, roomy. Cons: wrong fit, wrong information provided by Amazon, not good, waste my money. Features: comes in a 2-pack, upgraded version, replaces Whirlpool W10583530, fits many Whirlpool fridges. Fits many Maytag fridges, replaces part W10582649, replaces part PS11703474, compatible with Model 5GT311FFEW00, compatible with Model WRT311FZDB00, compatible with Model WRT311FZDM00. The POOLKEY W10803530 door shelf is a 2-pack of upgraded refrigerator door bins. It replaces several parts, including Whirlpool W10803530, W10582649 and PS11703474. The bins are compatible with many Whirlpool and Maytag refrigerators, including specific models like 5GT311FFEW00, WRT311FZDB00, and WRT311FZDM00. This product provides a convenient replacement for damaged or missing door shelves. The POOLKEY W10803530 door shelf replacement, compatible with several Whirlpool and Maytag refrigerator models, receives mixed reviews. Positive feedback highlights that the bins are spacious, sturdy, and a perfect, reliable fit that looks and works exactly like the original parts. Customers also appreciate that they are an affordable alternative. However, negative reviews indicate that the product may not fit certain refrigerator models despite the provided information, leading to wasted money.